Hello! Today we will learn how to execute a mid-fade haircut using CUTCAM. This is a great introduction to fade haircuts for intermediate to advanced CUTCAM users. In this tutorial, we will be fading from a 2 at the top to a 0 at the bottom. This is a complex DIY hairstyle, and we recommend only attempting this with significant experience using CUTCAM. With enough practice, anyone can master this hairstyle. Remember, take your time and practice patience for the best results. Let's begin. To begin, pair CUTCAM to your mobile device and ensure that the wrist strap is on. Ensure that your hair is clean and dry to make cutting easier and more accurate. Step 1. Debulking. In order to create a standardized starting point, we will debulk the hair. Place the 2 guard on CUTCAM and ensure that the lever is in the closed position. Cut your hair in an upward, straight motion with the guard flat against your head for an even cut. Evenly cut around the head up to the parietal ridges on the sides and the occipital lobe at the back in the blue highlighted area. After this step, your hair should look something like this. Step 2. Creating hard lines. Hard lines are created by gradually increasing the guard length, creating layers of hair on the sides that are a distinct length from one another. The fade is achieved by blending these lines together, creating the 0 hard line. In this step, we will create the 0 hard line, often called the bald line. This is the shortest hair on the side of your head. To begin, remove the guard from CUTCAM and ensure that the lever is in the closed position. Slowly cut your hair by moving the clipper up in a straight line with the blade flat against your skin for an even cut. Cut your hair to just above the top of your ears and approximately 1 inch above the neckline in the back, as shown in the blue highlighted area. After completing this step, your hair should look something like this. Cutting the 1 hard line. Attach the 1 guard to CUTCAM and ensure that the lever is in the closed position. With these settings, cut your hair approximately 1 inch above the first 0 hard line, all around your head, as shown in the red highlighted area. Your fingertip is a good approximate measurement of 1 inch. After this step is complete, your hair should look something like this. Step 3. Now it's time to fade these hard lines. In this step, we will use the same guards. However, the lever will be in the half-open position. Begin by fading the 0 to 1 hard line. Remove the guard from CUTCAM and ensure that the lever is in the half-open position. This is critical for this step. Adjust the lever 2 clicks from the closed position, like this. Move the blade upward as you approach the 1 hard line with a flicking motion with overlapping passes to properly blur the line in the highlighted blue area. Next, we will fade the 1 hard line to the number 2 guard length. Attach the 1 guard from CUTCAM and ensure that the lever is in the half-open position. This is critical for this step. Using the same motion, blend the hair from the 1 to 2 hard line in the highlighted red area. After completion of this step, your hair should look like this. Cut any neckline hairs left behind and style the top to your liking. There are many styles that pair well with faded sides. Congratulations on completing the mid-fade tutorial. After performing the fade on the sides, you can style your hair on top based on your preference. The fade haircut works with many top styles of any length.